Model, 2013 Ford Transit Custom 250L1 Diesel Front-Wheel Drive 2.2 TDCi 100ps Low roof van spares OR repair needs engine repair OR replacement grin. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 157838. MOT, the 23rd of May 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, engine is back pressuring on this. Top rod bearing, engine will need repairing or replacing. Worth spending the time to get this back to its former glory. Let's get this back on the road. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, Cat S in 2020. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074